Welcome back. Today we are going to solve some more example based on insurance. Let us start. First question, a shop and a godown worth rupees 1 lakhs and 2 lakhs respectively were insured through an agent who was paid 12% of the total premium. If the shop was insured for 80% and godown for 60% of their respective values, find the agent's commission given that the rate of premium was 0.80% less 20%. See, agent's commission is 12% of premium. Okay, rate of premium is given as 0.80% less 20%. See, what is the meaning of this? See, it is actually rate of premium is 0.80%. Okay, but we have to subtract 20% of this 0.80%. 0.80 0.80% लेस 20%. याचा अर्थ काय, तर हा ॲक्च्युअली रेट आहे आणि याच्यामध्ये सुद्धा याचे 20% लेस करायचे म्हणजे सबट्रॅक्ट करायचे. ओके, सो लेट अस कॅल्क्युलेट 0.80 minus 20% means 20 upon 100 of 0.80. Okay, so let us calculate. Okay, therefore you can say rate of premium is actually 0.64%. Now let us divide this example in two parts. Okay, calculation for shop and calculation for godown. So let us start for shop. What is the property value of shop? It is 1 lakh. What is the policy value? It is given that it is insured for 80% of its value. So 80% of 1 lakh. Okay, so it is obviously 80,000. You can calculate it. Okay, so therefore what is the premium? Premium is actually 0.64% C of 80,000. Premium is calculated on policy value. Okay, so it is 0.64 divided by 100 into 80,000. So 0, 0 cancel with these two zeros. So 0.64 into 800. Okay, so let us calculate. 512. Okay, let us calculate the same for the godown. What is the property value of godown? It is 2 lakh. What is the policy value? It is given as 60% of 2 lakh. So it is obviously 1 lakh 20,000. Let us calculate. 1 lakh 20,000. Okay, so what is the premium? Premium is 0.64% of 1 lakh 20,000. So let us calculate 0.64 divided by 100 into 1 lakh 20,000. So 0 cut 0, 0 cut 0, which is equal to 1200 into 64, 768. So total premium is 512 plus 768, which is equal to obviously 08 1280. The agent's commission, which is actually 12% of premium, which is 12 upon 100 into 1280, 0 cut 0, so which is again 12 into 128, so it is 61536 divided by 10, which is 153 upon 6. Next example, the rate of premium on a policy of rupees 1 lakh is rupees 56 per thousand per annum. A rebate of rupees 0.75 per thousand is permitted if the premium is paid annually. Find the net amount of premium payable if the policy holder pays the premium annually. Okay, so this is very simple one. Let us write down policy value. It is equal to 1 lakh. Now, what is the rate of premium? It is rupees 56 per thousand. You can say per annum. And what is the rebate? Rebate is allowed 0.75 per thousand per annum. So what is the net rate of the premium? It is 56 minus 0.75, which is actually 55.25 per thousand per annum. Now premium for 1 lakh rupees, it is what? 55.25 divided by 1000. See, just like when we write 55.25%, it means what? Upon 100. But when they say 55.25 per thousand, means upon 1000. Okay, into 1 lakh. So 3 zeros cancelled with these 3 zeros. So it is simply 55.25 into 100 means 2 digits ahead. Okay, so that is what the premium paid annually. That's all. Third example, a warehouse valued at rupees 40,000 contains goods worth rupees 2,40,000. The warehouse is insured against fire for rupees 16,000 and the good to the extent of 90% of their value. Goods worth rupees 80,000 are completely destroyed, while the remaining goods are destroyed to 80% of their value due to fire. The damage to the warehouse is to the extent of rupees 8,000. Find the total amount that can be claimed. So see, this example is actually divided into two parts. Claim for warehouse means the property value, policy value and loss. For warehouse, calculation is separate, and the claim for good, that is property value, policy value of goods, and the claim for goods. Okay, so we are going to solve this in two parts. Let us first of all find out claim for the warehouse. See, the property value of warehouse is 40,000, then policy value is 16,000. Okay, what is the loss given? Loss given is 8,000. So it is simply claim equal to policy value divided by property value into loss. So it is 16,000 divided by 40,000 into 8,000. Okay, so you can cancel out these 3 zeros with these 3 zeros. 8 5 is a 40, so 16,000 divided by 5, which is equal to 3200. Call this as number 1, or you can say claim for warehouse. Now let's find out claim for goods. Let us write down property value of goods. It is given as 2,40,000. Then what is the policy value? It is 90% of that value. So 90% of 2,40,000, which is 90 upon 100 into 240,000. Cancel out these two zeros with these two zeros. So 24,000 into 9. So it is 216,000. So 2,16,000. This is the policy value. Then let's find out the loss. Again, the loss of goods is given in two parts: completely destroyed goods and the partially destroyed goods. Okay, so let's see. Goods which is completely destroyed is of rupees 80,000. What will be the remaining goods out of this total 2,40,000? So it is 2,40,000 minus 80,000. So it is equal to 1,60,000. This is the remaining good. Now they said that remaining goods are destroyed up to 80%. Means loss of remaining good is actually 80% of 1,60,000. So which is 80 upon 100 into 1,60,000. 128,000. So it is 1,28,000. Okay, so therefore what is the total loss? This 1,28,000 is loss of remaining goods, and this is the 80,000 is completely destroyed goods. Okay, total loss of goods is 80,000 plus 1,28,000. So which is equal to 2,08,000. Now claim for goods. Okay, so what is the policy value? Recall, the policy value is 90%, which is 2,16,000. Property value is 2,40,000 and loss is 2,08,000. Cancel out these three zeros with these three zeros. Also cancel out this 0 with this 0. Okay. 9 again 0, 900 into 208. So which is again 208 into 9. So it is 1,87,200. Okay. This is, say suppose, number 2. Now recall, claim for warehouse, it is 3,200. We call it as 1. Claim for goods is 1,87,200. We call it as 2. So from 1 and 2, total claim is 3,200 plus 1,87,200. 1,87,000 is 190 and 400. So total claim is 1,90,400. That's all. Last question of this video. A person takes a life policy for rupees 2 lakhs for period of 20 years. He pays premium for 10 years, during which bonus was declared at an average rate of rupees 20 per year per 1,000. Find the paid up value of the policy if he discontinues paying premium after 10 years. Okay, let's see. The total policy is of 2 lakhs, so policy value is 2 lakhs. Period is given for 20 years. Rate of bonus is rupees 20 per year, or you can say per 1,000. This is important, per 1,000. Okay, so what is the total bonus, or you can say what is the bonus is 20 per 1,000. So 20 upon 1,000 into policy value 2 lakhs. 0, 0, 0 cancelled. So 2 into 2, 4. 1, 2, 3. So 4,000 is the bonus. Okay, and therefore bonus for 10 years. This bonus is for 1 year. Okay, so what is the bonus for 10 years? Obviously 4,000 into 10, it is 40,000. Now let us calculate amount of premium paid. Okay, so total value is 2 lakh. It is for 20 years. So you can calculate, it is 10,000 per year. Okay, so after 10 years, it is 10,000 into 10, which is 1 lakh. Okay, so after 10 years, he paid 1 lakh rupees plus he got the bonus of 40,000. So what is the paid up value? It is premium paid after 10 years. It is 1 lakh rupees plus 40,000. So it is 1,40,000. So therefore total paid up value is 1,40,000 rupees. That's all. Thank you for today.